दीवानी हो गई।
सब नूर नूर सा बिखरा है, बस तू ही ख्यालों में उतरा है, बस झूम 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 जाता है दिल। तू मस्तानी है, तू दीवानी है, बाकी ना हंसती है तेरी, तू नूरानी है। एक नूर नूर सा बिखरा है, एक तू है ख्यालों में उतरा।
दीवानी हाँ दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए किंजल के लिए everyone. Thank you so much. And MIT, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अपने लिए, come on. I'm really excited that I'm here. Wow. I think this is deserved because this is the 10th year of the college. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for this beautiful occasion that we're celebrating. Thank you. Come on, keep it going because there are going to be some fireworks. So हम लोग से बहुत अच्छी celebrations हो रही है, everyone. Thank you so much, and as I know that every year there is so much excitement, so much fun happening, and every time it's special. So I hope that this time we really rock it, and we have a memorable concert and an evening for all of you. I just want to tell you all that it's probably the first ever time that I am performing in a college in Karnataka. From your college, from your festival, Sentia, and thank you. I just want that everyone, whether you like the song or not, whether you know the song or not, whether you just like what is going on, but you all have to clap the whole time. Can we have this deal? I love you guys. Thank you. And everyone has to sing along. And I know that everyone here is quite a music-loving audience and set of students here. And people I can't really all the way see, but everyone standing there, hello! And to all the wonderful teachers, professors, trustees and all people, wonderful people, thank you and very good evening to you. And let's have some fun. And आपको जैसे पता है कि मेरे ज़्यादातर गाने थोड़े romantic type होते हैं, so all the there are plenty of songs for you. And this one is from a film called I Hate Love Stories. Wow. But I love this song. This is to you all. Come on. कभी दिखे जमीन पे कभी वो चांद पे ये नजर कहीं उसे यहाँ मैं रख लूं बांध के एक सांस में धड़कनों के पास में हाँ पास में घर बनाए आए भूले ये जहाँ बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार बहारा बहारा ये चैन तो हुआ बहार बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार ओ तोरा साजन आयो तोरे देश बदली बदला बदला सावण बदला जग ने तोरा साजन आयो तोरे And hello there. So I believe that there are students from many colleges here, right? Shabash. And I'm really happy that I'm getting to meet you all at one time and one place, and it's amazing. So let's do lots of songs, and I hope whatever जो भी गाने आपके दिल में है, you let me know. I will hopefully do it, and I try my best to. अभी नहीं, थोड़ा रुक जाओ भाई. Okay.